Really? Is that all you do?
I'm just figuring out how to do shit. Woo! Yeah! You can see the elf.
There's our elf on the shelf up there. Not on the shelf, but whatever. Alright guys, MR.TwoSix checking back in. So today what we're going to do is we're going to build a bookcase for all my toys. So, and all my toys I mean like my Gunpla, my Hot Wheels cars, my Lego stuff. I think that's pretty much it. The adult toys I put somewhere else, but I'm telling you. So I just want to show you guys what we did, or what we went with. So we went to our neighborhood Ikea. We got the bookcase model is Billy, and it's in dark black brown, which is the same color of our furniture. So I wanted to match. And I went ahead and went with the shelves that are glass, that are also made for the Billy. So I can have them up top, and that's where I'm going to have the models. And then to finish it off, I got two sets of these LED lights. So the model is the Omlop. I don't know if that shows up there. Omlop. So I got two of those, and those are gonna go up at the top. And I'm hoping that the glass, since the shelves are glass, at least the top ones will be, the light will penetrate through, and that'll be the light for my display. So let's go ahead and put this together, and I'll show you the end result. So here it is, guys, the end product. The Billy bookshelf with the glass shelves and the LED lights. So it's IKEA furniture. It's easy to build. Doesn't take rocket science. I do recommend a hammer and like a basic drill. Would definitely speed up the process on some of the assembly. One of the things to know, I originally wanted to do the three glass shelves together and then have the bottom as storage. Unfortunately, the way that the bookshelf is designed, it needs one of the wooden shelves to support the center, which is fine. The way I worked around it was I took my three glass shelves, I spread them out 12 inches in between, and then I have my third glass shelf down here. And I gave about 4 or 5 inches of space right here where I could put things under, which I have a harrow under here. And then I have like my storage area. So this is like my backlog right now of not just Gunpla, but I also have some Star Wars stuff. I have Legos that I need to get to and review for you guys. So all in all, I'm happy with the end product. It wasn't too expensive. It didn't take me long to put together. The only thing now is I need to get more stuff on this. So I gotta get building. What I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna do what Mecha Gaikatsu does. I'm gonna put something back here in the back so I can have the Gunpla elevated, and I can situate more Gunpla in front. I think he uses shoe boxes, I think is what he uses, or if not, these the boxes from the kits. So I have to watch that video again because he explained it, but all in all, good deal. Alright guys, so until next time, peace.